All right, first thing first, before we get started, let's get our hand washed. Wash your hands, folks. All right, guys, so here I am adding white vinegar and salt to clean my chicken. So before I start cooking and prepping my chicken, I like to clean it first or rinse it or wash it, whichever terminology you would like to use. I'm tossing the chicken around the salt and vinegar. Of course, that's part of the cleaning. And I will put it under the water to rinse it out. And still toss it. Now I'm rinsing off the vinegar and the salt. I have to go back and rinse it out and then drain the water and salt and vinegar so the chicken won't have the taste of the vinegar in the salt. So now I'm adding my mom's seasoning. She made it from scratch. Man, all I gotta say, that seasoning is like A1. It's the best thing. So, and I'm tossing the chicken to make sure that the seasonings I can put in the refrigerator and let them marinate for a little bit. And there you go. Just put that thing in the refrigerator, let it marinate for like 5 to 6 hours, and then we'll come back to it. So while the chicken is marinating, I'm going to try to work out for a little bit and then get back to cooking. This is hard. You guys, this workout thing is hard. The last time I worked out was 2-3 years ago. And I can't even do 5 minutes, and I'm already exhausted. I'm so exhausted I can't even talk right. I'm tired. So, yeah. We're trying, look at this girl riding her bike. I won't be able to do this in the heat. I'm looking outside the window, but I wouldn't be able to do this in the heat right now. Yeah, we're gonna try this again tomorrow. We're gonna try losing this stomach tomorrow. But today, I think 5 minutes was enough. I gotta get some credit. At least I tried. Let's get to cooking. All right, guys, now we're back. Now that the workout is done, let's get this chicken cooking. So what I'm doing here, I am putting the chicken in the pot so I can go ahead and steam it. I would let it steam for like 15 to 20 minutes. You know what? Not even 15 or 20 minutes because I don't want it to be too tender. So I'll probably steam it for like 10 minutes. And the reason behind the steaming is because I don't want to cook the chicken with the blood. I want it like steam and I guess dry out the blood. So then we'll come back and fry it or bake it. I'm not 100% sure. Well, we're gonna end up frying it because at first I wasn't sure if I wanted to fry it or bake it, but we're definitely frying it. Okay, so I also want to mention that while you're steaming your chicken with the seasoning already on it, you guys, the seasoning soaks so well into the chicken while it's steaming is unbelievable. So if you haven't tried that before, try it and tell me what you think about it and comment below. Alright, so I'm using this oil to fry my plantain and my chicken. Pour some in here, get it going. You hear that? I know there's a lot of errors I just made, and my mom probably would decide I'm gonna be like, seriously? You're making things more complicated than it's supposed to be, but yeah, I don't really cook. So I'm just gonna make it happen. It's going. Like move it around, you know. Let that sit for a little bit. Again, Yeah, I'm using this to fry. Let me show you guys. So this is what I'm using to fry my chicken. How you guys holding up? Are you guys losing your mind yet? I'm like, what's going on? Talk to me. Because what you could tell before, I could, but not as much. And the one thing I can say about this whole situation, because you always gotta look at the silver lining, you know? It's getting me to cook more. All right, so during this time, I catch myself working out and cooking more. Honestly speaking, the last time I worked out was 2 years ago. And now I'm working out more now that I'm home, and I'm cooking more. And I think that's one of the things I can honestly say that I like about this self-quarantine things. So what are you guys doing more? Comment below and just let me know. This is how my chicken is looking like, y'all. It looks good. Alright, so here I am slicing up my plantains so I can fry them. I try to slice them as slim as I can so I won't have to go back and flatten it. I have a bowl of water. I just added salt so I can put my plantain to give it some salt. Once I put all my plantain in a bowl, I'm just going to massage just a little bit and then toss the water out. Alright, so I tossed the water and now I'm getting ready to put the plantain in the fryer, the deep fryer, so I can fry them. And you just let it sit for a little bit until you get brown and bam, you're done.